Yeah, hello, you're welcome to Marketing Video Pros. In this course, I want to show you how to develop and execute your marketing video idea. This is not going to be not going to be deep course on scripting. The basic way I want to make it just because one of the secret behind the success for this is keep it simple. So I want to keep it simple for you. I want to show you how you can develop and execute your marketing video idea. Don't worry, oh, I want to hire a scriptwriter, I want to get someone to do this for me, and someone excuse me, let me take water. I want someone to create graphics for me. Don't worry. This course covers all those things for you. This course will help you do better with that, make things easy for you. So, number one thing you should do is plan your video. Plan your video. Before you do anything, make sure you plan everything you want to do. Make sure you gather all those elements. Know what you want to do. What are you which type of video are you making? Who are your audience? So which type of videos out of what you have learned so far will connect with them? Is it doodle video? Is it 3D animation and avatar video? Is it whiteboard? Is it square video? Am I doing this on YouTube? Am I doing this on? So you take that decision and plan everything out before you even open your software. So this is very, very important. Now write your copy before you go and open your software. Don't get the software and start thinking of what you're going to write. So write your copy, take your time, you know your copy that will grab attention and get people to look at your video. This is very, very important. Now get your creatives ready. What are your creatives? Your pictures, your video background, your images, your graphics in case you want to, your logo. You're going to be needing this in what you're doing. That is very, very important. Get them ready. Now, but don't worry about creative. Virtually all the software you're going to be using in creating this video, they have built-in and access to millions of royalty-free images that you can pick from the software without you stressing yourself. But in case you have a unique and extra images or graphic where you want to get them ready, this is very, very, very important. Now study your software. There are so many software you're going to be using. Go out there, go and practice, know what the software can do, know the process so you can plan what you want to do in this. Now choose a template or start from the scratch. Each of these software, most of them except the custom wizard, have what do you call a template you can start from. If you're a beginner, you are not experienced, start with the template, use the template, then customize it. But if you are the type that you want to be extra creative, start from scratch where you have alternative stuff, or dismantle what is there, then you put your own. So that's it. Then start to add your content, add your copy, add your image, add all those items to your software. When you log in, edit what you are supposed to edit, save, yes, then render your video. Render your video. Now what is render your video? That means once you are done with the software, you need to get the system, the software to produce the video for you. So once you hit the render button, it depends on it. So some of them will be ready in a few minutes, some you have to come back and all those things. So do that. And after that, the next thing you should do is download your video and take it to anywhere. Do you want to use it on YouTube? You want to use it on Facebook, on Instagram, or on your website? That is all. So this is just a simple and way. I want to keep it simple for you. I don't want you to go storyboard this. I don't want to make things complicated like people who want to shoot Hollywood or Bollywood or Nollywood or movies. Make it simple. Don't go through. Don't waste your time. Just make it simple. That is why. So this is how to execute and how to develop and execute your video idea, your video or marketing video idea. So don't waste time. That is the end of this video.